Welcome to Exploring the Magic of Simple Past Tense. In this video, we'll delve into the world of grammar and discover the power of storytelling through the lens of simple past tense. Let's start by understanding what simple past tense is and how it shapes the way we communicate. Simple past tense is used to talk about completed actions or events that occurred at a specific point in the past. For regular verbs, we simply add ed to the base form. For irregular verbs, the past tense forms can vary. For example, I walked to school yesterday uses the regular verb walked, while she ate pizza for lunch showcases the irregular verb ate. Regular verbs form the simple past tense by adding ed to the base form. Irregular verbs, however, have unique past tense forms that must be memorized. Here are more examples. They played basketball after school, regular verb, and we went to the beach on Saturday, irregular verb. Now, let's practice forming sentences in simple past tense. Try creating your own sentences using both regular and irregular verbs. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to subscribe for more language tips and tricks. See you. Bye.